chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
In the silence of the night, I find my voice. Echoes of my dreams, they rejoice. With every step I claim my space. In the symphony of life I embrace. When doubts creep in, I'll stand tall, with courage burning bright. Spread my wings, I'm ready to fly. Jumping off the edge, leaving fears behind. No chains can hold me back, I'm breaking free. The taste of freedom, it's calling me. I've learned to sway.